How to change message delivery on Messenger. In this guide, I'll be showing you how you can change or let's say customize your message delivery on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device. Now, once you are logged in, tap on this menu icon right here and tap on the settings right here. Now, scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. Here, scroll down. Here you can see message delivery option right here. Tap on message delivery and you can just decide whether message requests go to your chat list or your message request folder from here. Just tap on people with your phone number. Now here you can see delivery request to, you can see message request. Once you do that, the messages you received will be gone to the message request like this. You can change everything from here, like you can just change to message request and go back. Now people in your Facebook groups, tap on it and you can also tap on don't receive request. Now you can just update settings and just like this you can don't receive request and they won't be able to message you. And just like this you can erase your message delivery on Messenger. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.